Imagine your auto repair shop in Anchorage turning into a tech powerhouse overnight. What if AI could find your next customer while you sleep? Welcome to the revolution of local search, powered by AI. Old methods? They're dead. Now, your shop can appear right when someone screams, "Where's the best car fix near me?" Picture this: a digital highway funneling eager customers straight to your door. America's Best Shops is unleashing this AI magic. Get ready. AI analyzes searches, predicts trends, even spots maintenance before clients know it. Mind-blowing, right? Your local business becomes a magnet in the digital jungle. And here's the twist. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening in Anchorage right now. Imagine your phone buzzing non-stop with new bookings while you focus on what matters, fixing cars. But wait, are you ready to outsmart your competitors? To own the local search landscape? This is your golden ticket to grow faster than ever. America's Best Shops is your secret weapon, merging AI with your passion. Don't get left behind in the tech dust. So, what's the next move? Will you power up with AI and lead Anchorage's auto repair scene, or watch others race past you? The future is here. The question is, are you ready to drive it?